Everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel, BU. That's named after my company, which is BU LLC, and there I offer a lot of services with metaphysics. Excuse me. So, if you want to learn more, in the description, I will have a link to my webpage, and there you can find it. And then also I'll give you a link to my Etsy where you can find really cool one-of-a-kind sun catchers that I make, crystal jewelry that I make, and I still have a few of oracle and tarot cards that is up for sale. So go on over to Etsy and check that stuff out for you. So on this unboxing video, it's the Raise Your Vibration Oracle deck from Kyle Gray. This is new. It just came out this month in November. So, if you know anything about Hay House, they pretty much keep the same boxes and everything. So, here's the box right up here. The cards, all of them have the same backing, which is this right here. And then, in the book, it matches the box. Okay? And it's always going to be a card. So, layouts. He shows you 3 different layouts. He shows you a single, 2-card spread, and then a 3-card spread. So then when you flip to a card, looks like if you combine all this, you have a page. So it looks like each one of these have about a page to give you more in-depth than what's on the card. So that's the guidebook. Alright, so the cards. There's 48 cards in this deck. But pretty normal size, pretty easy. There is a gloss, but it's not like a high gloss. I would say it's more like a satin finish on these. And then, let's flip it over. So, what you have is you have an image, and then you have his little, I guess, affirmation. I trust the wisdom within. And yeah, they're pretty thick ones. They do have kind of like a bend to them. But yeah, they're pretty simple cards, really. And I'm pretty sure he took this out from his Raise Your Vibration book. And again, these you can get at Hay House. And I'm sure at Amazon. But yeah, I really like Kyle Gray for sure. I have all his cards decks. This is a good one to remember. We are all surrounded by angels. And then that is the guidebook and the box. Excuse me. Got a tickle in my throat. Alright, and that's my unboxing video of Raise Your Vibration Oracle deck from Kyle Gray. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, everyone, and please like and subscribe. That way more people know that I'm unboxing Oracle and Tarot cards. And if there is an Oracle or Tarot card that you want me to feature in one of my videos, just drop it in the comment section, the name and who's it from. And if it's one I have, I will feature it on my video for you. Bye!